future Gigi's, my name is Sega and I'm in my 4th year of International Studies and Modern Languages and I'm in French Immersion. So going into my first year, my expectations of French Immersion was that it was going to be extremely difficult. I was really worried about taking content courses in French and I had no idea what to expect from FLS courses, but to my surprise it was a lot easier in the sense that there's so much support. You're able to hide your grades in the courses that you take in French in your first 2 years, which I found super relieving because I had that option to do it. As well as there's things called helper courses, so that's like FLS 2581 or 3581 that are super awesome and helpful in your first 2 years. Being in classes where there's a bunch of francophones around me was definitely really nerve-wracking at the start, but I was able to build confidence because I found like a group of French immersion students in those classes with me, so we would practice, and the professors were very accommodating. If you made any mistakes speaking out loud, nobody was about to call you out on it, so that was definitely a good moment that I put myself out there and they were very accepting of it. It definitely took, I want to say maybe a year and a half for me to feel comfortable doing that, but I definitely pushed myself, and pushing myself then made me more comfortable, and now it's something that I do regularly in my classes. I'm really happy to be a part of French Immersion because some of my closest friendships came from being in those FLS courses, as well as it was a really nice way for me to integrate into the U Ottawa community. The two resources that helped me with French Immersion the most at U Ottawa have been the French Immersion mentors, as well as there are speaking groups that you can go to, so it'll help boost your confidence when you're speaking French. What I would tell a student that's hesitant about joining French Immersion is there's no harm in trying it in your first year. If you realize it's not for you, that's okay. It's very easy to remove it from your program of study if you decide that's not what you like. And if it is something you decide on you really like, it's really easy to keep it because you're already a part of it. Being a part of French Immersion at U Ottawa will benefit my future because one, I'm going to graduate being bilingual, and secondly, it has helped me expand my horizons in the sense that before I definitely wasn't comfortable speaking French to others, but now I can say after my 4 years I'm a lot more comfortable using my second language. Thank you for watching, and if you still have any questions about French Immersion, feel free to leave them in the comments. And that being said, give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed our video and make sure you subscribe. Yeehaw, let's go Gigi's!